Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the top 10 strongest WWE wrestlers. Number 10, Big Show. The giant Manny Big Show has hunted the square circle for over 2 decades. The tremendously hugged world heavyweight champion has become so synonymous with incredible power throughout that time. When some superstars in WWE revealed their best bench press results, remarkable superstars such as John Cena and Roman Reigns landed near between 445 and 465 pounds. At the same time, monsters like Kane, Brodus, Ole, Titus O'Neil, and Ryback reached around 525 to 550 neighborhood. Number 9, Scott Steiner. Former World Championship Wrestling Heavyweight Champion made his aura feel different from the others in the showdown with a biceps higher than the Himalayas. Big Bad Booty Daddy remains as one of the most talented athletes ever to wrestle on one of the breakiest physiques to overstep inside a ring or a crazy wrestler with an aggressive brash gang member attitude. Number 8, Big E. Arthur Even is an American professional wrestler and a former football player. Much of his in-ring signature moves are focused on strength figures, including his best signature finisher, the Big Andy. Big E squatted a raw weight of 611 pounds, a raw bench press of 490 pounds, and a clean 749 pound deadlift, earning a total score of 1,851 pounds. Number 7, Braun Strowman. He is WWE's newest big man to join a long history of wrestling giants that included The Undertaker, The Great Khali, The Big Show, Mark Henry, King Kong Bundy, Vincera, and of course Andre the Giant. He was also in pro strongman competitions, but he did not win. His peak weight was 415 pounds, and that's stunt WWE's built weight. It is his actual weight. Number 6, Bill Goldberg. At the peak of the Attitude Era, a fire-breathing gorilla pressing character larger than life emerged, mirrored Stone Cold's appearance with a 10 times intensity. Former WWE champion Bill Goldberg, one of the world's most renowned and strongest wrestlers of all time, in 2018, after his infamous return, WWE inducted him in the 2018 Hall of Fame. Number 5, Cesaro. Cesaro could be the strongest wrestler ever in WWE. He surprises the fans regularly with his skills and is exceptional inside the squared circle. No other wrestler deadlifts an opponent from the ground with the same ease and grace as the Swiss Superman, nor do they move their enemies in the middle of the air as if washed out a piece of clothing casually. Number 4, Kane. Perhaps his scary monstrous persona overshadowed his physical strength features. For the sake of relevance, we would be talking about pre-2010 Big Red Monster Kane, not gentle giant corporate Kane or current Knox County Mayor. At 6 foot 7 inches frame, Kane manhandled some of the strongest grapplers in wrestling history. Feats of Kane's strength including lifting Triple H into the military press, giving The Undertaker a tombstone. Number 3, Mark Henry. Henry was not only the monster of every monster, but he was a distinct type of monster. This specific race species in the gym could do things none of the genetic freaks could even imagine. The strongest superstar holds the world record as the youngest man ever to squat over 900 pounds without a squat suit, and the youngest person with a total of over 2800 pounds score, the only person ever to perform this feat at age 25. Number 2. John Cena. The popularity of Cena has helped him back commercial for major brand and he has developed into the movie industry there. Cena debuted in WWE in 2002, the prototype, and quickly became a crowd favorite. The famous catchword of John Cena, "You can't see me," used to for some time to taunt his opponents, suggesting that they were not up to its standard. Number 1. Brock Lesnar. Brock Lesnar could be the strongest man in the WWE because of his build and modern-day gladiator-like muscular strength. Brock started to compete in MMA not from the below but by facing heavyweight division's champion fighters. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.